So I'm going to talk a little bit more about the vagus nerve. So the last few videos I spoke about the vagus nerve, how it's connected to the heart, your breathing, your lungs, your stomach, and how it helps stimulate the release of enzymes, hydrochloric acid in your stomach, and as well as how to tone your vagus nerve and how uh, a lower functioning vagus nerve actually can damage your digestive system, can contribute to depression, anxiety, other mental health issues. So it's really important to be able to tone up that vagus nerve. And if you didn't watch my previous video about that, you might want to go back and watch that because it is very important, and I give you tips on how to do that. So along with that, the vagus nerve also activates a hormone called gastrin and also your pancreatic juices, which also aids in the breakdown and digestion of your food. So gastrin is the hormone that helps your food move through your digestive system. And the whole process, the release of enzymes, the hydrochloric acid, the release of gastrin, uh, it all can it's all considered part of the reflex because it goes back to the brain. It all starts with the vagus nerve. So even with sight and smell of food stimulates that nerve impulse, and that goes to the hypothalamus, which is stimulated in the brainstem. And so if you have any kind of hormone challenges, it might also you might have a problem with the production of saliva, which is important for digestive secretions that allow for proper appetite, digestion, and absorption of food. So the hypothalamus signals the medulla oblongata, say that 3 times fast, in the brainstem, and this is an area that controls your breathing as well. And the medulla responds by sending out these nerve impulses, which then travel down our big wandering vein, our vagus nerve, or not vein, nerve. Anyways, and it stimulates more saliva production and increases gastric secretions as well as your pancreatic secretions. So after this initial stimulation caused by the mere thought of just smelling your food, you then would put your fork to mouth. So I'm going to, in the next video, talk about what even happens before you eat. What should you be doing before you eat to support your digestive system? And then we'll go even further into all of that. So we'll see you next time.